Ebusia adia baako a announce ma 2024 election aye koye no NPP edifiti no baako aye galamsey. Promises are John Dramani Mahama, then candidate Mahama Mampeni Edimaye no so aye said the fight against illegal mining. Now, Kamia said among foreign some Kenya said the fight against illegal mining no, it looks say Abanun take serious action bia. A bit me Amaya who say he's fighting the galamsey or illegal mining head on. Enti ama ebirum ekaka say MPP ni NDC nyina no wom de galamsey ni campaign omoba na omato to baby. But adia ba akwa beto dwasisi ane say the fight against illegal mining no, it is really going on. Team, the fight against illegal mining no, it is not about who declare BB and I say obesoma aso dafo ne aposifo akogu forest no, because some of these illegal miners no they are also weaponized omo akodie to fight these soldiers ne and as militaries and as task force ya do mbeko forest no enti no eyan kakra akwese nyansa po yesane no benyansa fomti kakra ne de sane. Now Andra information beto dwane say abai a start ACZ excavators. These excavators no man for to say na say nanado time ono kra de was she excavators no dodo. But the thing na woman an say one na edi excavators ne eba no. Wo mo kokra excavators ne de bo man ni mu a edi ade no de excavators ne beye. Enti na e was etimi find out ni ehu nipa wo mo kofa excavators ne ba. But I enti omde baye. Ni ahwe se die enti omde baye ne no na omde ya na enti eyade e wo ho. Endra na beto odwa say the task force any forestry commission wama ko sizi chema Wontumi ye ka chema Wontumi a one of galamsey kingpins one ma eye galamsey tu galamsey e wo ye nsuo mu ese ye forest no oka ho bi enti several excavators e na omakoyeden omakoko sizi enti elekam kotoko ene mpanifo ahoto ko forest momne forestry commission no. Now Good Friday last Friday yeyi and omokoye sa operation no and to omo kire say forestry commission wo Ghana no ma ready about 6 illegal mining sites eye akunta mining yebeka ya Professor Frimpong ede report by about galamsey no o mention akunta mining e belong to Chema Wontumi o mampeni den nanado eba yebeka say galamsey no akunta mining does not involve in illegal mining and I say galamsey into a declare if you want. Now Oko Western Regional yes Chema Wontumi site a Samra boy a Western North region Wama ko seize ni excavators enye no nko wamo ache China for any Korea for any Ghana for beye 18 any excavators ahodo a wamo nso seize enye no nko ukopiem wo Western North for ma your community bia your friends say abroani nkran abusia video no aneda so no me de baba besi report and answer information the defense minister edi ababeto abonten defense minister edi ense bia ababeto abonten Dr. Kofi Buama wodi ense bia ababeto abonten na asem wodi ababeto abonten no me ka babe so ni say the fight against galamsey no the action that this particular government take no eno ebetimi asolve ana or you think say there could be other better way be an kabane fast wa ebetimi aboa enti yen hwa de. Now share anamotu ababontina abroani nkran last week no a whole community enipa bebro 1000 ana wo ho ana sa community no omaye say wo ye galamsey and ma seti wo ho for years wo ma seti wo ho entebusan video ne da so no. Now the lands minister Emmanuel Kofibua wone ni team akọ no pejatum ashi the entire community na woma motwa ne galamsey illegal mining no ma ye assassini nyina mining illegal mining was Subri Forest Reserve yaka Subri Forest Reserve oko Subri River no mu a eno aye ensure na serve a whole lot of community and about 3 regions but this illegal miners asset wo ho mo ma say enyema bebre enti no yakwa kwashi the whole community ebusua video na da ho no onso ba obetimi ahye na obi nsa so atimi adaka bi. These are the things abani eye se galamsey ni illegal mining no o diffuse akwa yesa de bi a ya chechire se okopam nkrofo ni firi nwura mu ho no ma ombeba enti ye yi ni nkakra enti the people are like na se nkrofo a wakopam wo mi eye ntabo eye nuadan ana o mabobo enche wombekwa akosete wo ho eno so wobekwa akohwe mu ana. Now this is what the government has done. Information a free defense ministry owura ni din ede Dr. Buama wadi ababeto abontini enie watro ni letter wadi beto abontini ma menhwe na menkenkan ebi emfama osisi yi ensama mo kan nyina ne say enei no ma menkan brofo going after the owners of Galamsey excavators. John Mahama abusuyen konkotie before 2024 election no okase bi say wana eye illegal mining no enye womo ankasa ne the corporate no, they are victims of circumstances. Enti ne ewose ye kwache wonu ma womo koton saase a womdo koma Kofi Buama ne ya wamponsa ene me wo faase kwaku ataso mo kwa Galamsey no sankrofo no, if we are able to arrest them ye betimi stop kakra betimi stop illegal mining and asa Galamsey no.
Will I still give amnesty to people convicted for Galamsey? And my answer is yes. Because those who are in prison for Galamsey are not the actual perpetrators of Galamsey. The big kingpins are not in prison. Those who are in prison are the small boys that they employ to work on their Galamsey concessions. And so they are victims of circumstances. And so if we are coming with a new fight against Galamsey, let's start by giving them amnesty. Let's bring them out, reform them, and do the things that will make them not go and do what they've done again.
Enti yan kind ye Dr. Kofi Omane Buama edi ababeto abontin was going after the owners of Galamsey excavators. As promised last month, we are glad that eventually some chassis numbers of seized excavators used to perpetrate Galamsey, that's an environmental sin against humanity and God, have been secured. Okay, now I was the defense minister okay say last month when we seize the excavators ahodo send me di kankaye no. Now we seize the excavators no, excavator be baba o man be our chassis number no. Adan say a car cramp na buy ya e chassis number no onipa ye ne dia bra okotoye baby ade baba enti yenya chassis number na e ma yehu the owner of that particular vehicle and say excavator no enti ye seize. Okay, yeah, to also thank you Ghana Police Service for your cooperation. And they are doctor this science and better abonding. And the doctor said what the Ghana Police Service has said. So matimia kabomu na wamoya den wamoya sa edwumen. Yan to also was it that these charges numbers will aid President Mahama's determined and sustained fight against Galamsey. And it was a numbers here who did. Ebeboa mampeni Mahama na namuturi na kuma pa wenya say what did to Galamsey na say we are using these charges numbers to contact trace the big people who own the heavy duty equipment used for Galamsey. That is it. It is simple as that. And yenya chances numbers no. And ye trace because ye komwa u details baby a woko input amount a ye benya bibia. And ye abane sen ye hwe ama sankrofo ye duo machi ne akwakochwom. And Dr. Ebusa 1 or 2 questions say who imported the excavators? Who bought them? Okay. For what purpose? Why are they being used for Galamsey? More questions than answers. These innovative anti-Galamsey interventions are consistent with the determination of President John Dramani Mahama, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, to fight the Galamsey menace through a root and branch approach. Resetting Ghana hashtag Eagle Eye, hashtag activate all body cameras. And see, the fight against illegal mining and as a Galamsey no kakran. And it's sound for ya because we come machi when chia last 4 years enipa 4 omu kodam 17 years. Enipa 4 ye chi womu no womu kwa kodam 17 years concurrently. Enti no timi say sa onipa na wo kwa kodam 17 nipa kwa kodam 17 years buza ho say owo sika wode kwa koto excavators ana. Enti ni say nya che kingpins na atense nkakra ibetimi. Enti ni nyina mu no aye okate chie kwame afiri fa kire se wo ba beye galamsey demonstration ama wako police for horse police for a man no kwan it's an argument kakra timi aba home, but the fight against galamsey no is not a second or a day, but also the commitment of the government and as a president no any minister Emmanuel Amakofibua enamotua womu etua. I think say there is a certain kind of commitment be a war no more abani betimi afaso no to illegal mining na sabusia and some information that on ma metimi e the amount message so ba na watimi a share na wa like it, follow yen na follow na information be no so onsa intimi kam. So this is the update on illegal mining and I said the fight against galamsey abusia me the west see by emphasis that farmer jupe say we send sika free abrochiri akogana yusu promo code asonaba ASONABA unya ye ape ni amount $5 bonus na wo dey check o how far ma me fa won si akrama.